tayo ay nasa Pampanga dahil tayo ay lilipad ngayong araw na ito. Go, go, go! So excited ako dahil tayo ay manonood ng Hot Air Balloon Fiesta. So hopefully makita natin how the balloons are being prepared. So these are the chase team?
Chase crew, yeah.
Chase crew. Ano ginagawa ng chase crew?
Kami yung nag-chase doon sa mga balloon na pag nagla-landing na.
Bigla-bigla akong umangkas. So excited! This is so cool. So this is something we don't usually do in UKG because we just interview. But now we're actually seeing how it's being done. Oh, happy birthday to me! Yay! Nasa fiesta tayo. Birthday ko